Kwani unakasirika?
Mami moto.
Si moto.
Mami si moto.
Yake hapo ipoe basi ama puliza.
Mami najua.
Wewe ndio unajua pia. Unataka kujua, wewe puliza. Pia wewe unajua.
Simplest ingredients for the simplest of meals. Pecan orange.
Hello, it's your girl again. How are you guys doing? And I hope mko fiti. By the way, nimewamis. But you guys are amazing. Nyinyi wanoma sana. Thank you so much for the views. Thank you so much for the comments. Thank you for the likes. You guys nyinyi ni wenyewe. Nyinyi ni waseni wanoma. So thank you so much and welcome to Pick and Rich. It's a channel where we cook the simplest meals with the simplest ingredients that you can find just outside your door. And if you're new here, karibu sana. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel because here we cook and have fun at the same time. Alafu guys, I've been looking all snackish. Like me myself, I'm a full meal, full course. Hey, mimi ni chakula, mimi mwenyewe. I've been looking good lately, and thank you so much to Aunt's Fashion Line for dressing me during all these episodes of ours of Pick and Rich, and also Glam by Noni. Palivo Instagram utampata, also utapata palivo Facebook. She's free. Unaweza muita anytime, any day akuja akupake makeup, and of course she's doing a very good job. Today we are making plantains. I'm going to teach you how to make plantains and smokies. Ini recipe ingine tamu, my friend. Amna idea. Ile utamu iko hapa. Plantains and smokies, like lately, by the way, hizi vitu zimekuwa mob sana. Plantains. There are people who don't know the difference between plantains and actually bananas. Yeah, there's a difference. Let me show you. Guys, tell me the difference between these two. Tell me the difference, like now. Hapo hivyo kwa comment, tell me the difference between this banana. And please don't tell me moja ni refu ingine ni fupi. I can already see that. Yeah, but tell me what's the difference between these two bananas, guys. Tell me. Now that plantains ni mingi, usizipite tu, ununue, sacrifice ununue, alafu uende try out this recipe. So, let's introduce our ingredients, guys. Come. So of course you need plantains, all right? You need tomato paste. We have beef masala. Beef masala, why? Because our smokies are beef. Then we have onions. We have tomatoes and some onions, but I don't think I'll need this. But it has blend. Then I have salt. This is oh, I need hoho. Guys, there's hoho in this recipe. Mukiona mjue there is hoho. So I'm going to add it.
Pecan orange.
We're going to fry our plantains. Sawa. Tulikuwa tumeziosha pia. So the thing that we're going to do is very simple. We're going to cut them and peel them. Also, muniambia ni wapi naweza pata plantains cheap. So these days nimejipata I'm a fan of plantains sana lately. So if you're there na mnauzanga plantains kwenyu, tafadhali, ama mko na plantains, unajua mali naweza pata cheaper plantains, please let me know. Okay, so you just peel them. It's easy to peel. Our garlic is here, guys. Yeah, so we're going to cut this into half, then into quarters, like that. Like that. Then to do times 2, like that. So we can actually even do that, then that and that. Repeat, same. Yeah, so guys, our plantains already nimezi divide into 2. I think we'll just have to do these things all together. Hizi zikivanga, hizi zingine tunazikatakata hizi tuta blend. But meanwhile what actually to nini hizi? Tuende tuzifry hizi. Sawa? Our plantains nataka tuzifry. Sawa? It's very simple, by the way. Very simple. If your kids love plantain or they've never eaten plantain, try out with them. Help them know what plantain is, and see if they will love them. Mandizi tamu sana actually. So we are shallow frying ours, not deep frying, shallow frying. Okay, so we wait for that to fry, then tutazipindua until all this is done. Okay, meanwhile let's blend our tomatoes, our hohos and the rest of the things. So guys, the reason why I prefer blending tomatoes nowadays because inanipatia very good sauce. Instead of you just cooking your food, kukatakata tomatoes and all that, I think blending is better. Blending you nini for blending you ka better. Okay. So we are blending our tomatoes, our hohos all together. Everything in. Okay. Then we need to put some water there. There. Then once your plantains are brown on one side, please turn them before they burn, because zikiburn zitakuwa kali. Just turn them before they burn. Ooh. Sawa. There you go. Then we can continue, we can move on. Chukua sausage zako, smokies zako. You can do either smokies or sausages. In our case, we are going to do smokies. So, once you ensure all sides are brown enough, zitoe tu kwa moto yako. Okay. Na zisiungue, zangu zishaanza kuungua. Zangu zishaanza kuungua, Mungu wangu we. Repeat the process over and over and over again. All we need is brown our plantain. That's how you know if they are cooked or not. So we are cutting our smoky. Unakula? Ni nini? Kwa nini unakasirika? Si moto. Si moto. Yeki hapo ipoe basi ama puliza. Wewe ndio unajua pia. Unataka kujua, wewe puliza. Pia wewe unajua. So, wadau, after ukishatengeneza this beautiful paste yenye mmeona hivyo, take your plantains, okay? Ziweke ndani like that. Koroga vizuri. Then take your smokies. Ziweke ndani. You see, this recipe is so good for you and your kids and everyone else. Because it has like everything, yeah? Like that. Then give them like 2 minutes to simmer. Then we come back and serve our food.
Nikula gani? Sio. Nakatamu hii food though.
Alafu ume ndizi.
Sausage na ndizi?
Smoky. Na plantains.
Acha mix kwa mdomo alafu nikwambia. Ni tamu?
Mama.
Tamu sana.
Inaweza?
Unaweza kula hiyo combination hata bila ugali.
Si ndio? But why do you need ugali ukiwa na plantain? Ni mshamba.
Unajua msee anaweza ona hii stew auliza hii ugali kwa wapi?
But wameshaona kuna plantains. Tamu?
Bwana.
Sawa.
Niko mbona poa? Hata wanajua.
Ndio nini? Ndio tamu.
Na hii yenye iko hapa. Niko sawa?
Iko sawa? Amazing. So iko seti. Acha niweke crew hapa.
Wasaidie.
Acha niweke crew.
Help them.
Kimere make a thing, what try.
Jesus is Lord. This one is a must try. This one is a must try.
A must. A must try. Chakula tuoshe.
In fact, yote yetu zingine fox ni mob.
Mob bata ziko hapa.
Nampatie fox zingine.
Tunafikiria mapikia basi.
You must try out this recipe. I don't know what she's done because I wasn't here when she started, but it's definitely amazing. This is one of the most amazing recipes I've tried. Unaongea na nakumalizia video.
Oh, pole.
Yeah, I've actually ever tasted, so make sure you try it out. Go get the ingredients. But this you can now say even online, by the way. Like,
I'll start be cooking with them.
I think you should do that immediately. Would you guys want that, by the way? Like, comment down below. Would you like Rach to be cooking with you live? Anawaambia vitu mapema mnabai. Alafu ikifika ni masaa ya kupika, ile masaa ya zenashara, mnaanza kupika pamoja. If you want that, just comment down below. And also, if you're new here, make sure that you subscribe to this channel because it's all about cooking and having a lot of fun. And also make sure that you turn on the notification bell. You know why? Every time she puts up a new video, you guys will be the first to be notified. And also follow her on Instagram, Pika na Rich, sindio?
Yes.
Pika_na_rich.
Yes.
So it's all about having fun. It's all about cooking.
Yes.
And you're dressed up. You're looking amazing.
Thank you. Aunt's fashion line.
You look like a short queen.
Bye.
Guys, subscribe.